The Galaxy S23 Ultra Geekbench test is also here and it shows some pretty good results. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has significant upgrades and performance compared to the last generation. Well, it all depends on optimization. However, I am still happy to add Galaxy S23 series is coming with Snapdragon processors only, with no Exynos models at all. It is really annoying to see the Exynos chip, which makes the user experience worse. In fact, Exynos chipset is just embarrassment. If Samsung truly wants to compare it against the Apple, then they need to stay away from making the use of Exynos chips in the Galaxy phones. Samsung is finally rolling out the new One UI 5.0 update based on Android 13 for the Galaxy S22 lineup. According to official list revealed by Samsung, these high-end phones and tablets will get the stable Android 13-based One UI 5.0 update in November. Some other flagships and mid-range Galaxy devices will get the update in December 2022 and further January 2023. Samsung has also released official One UI 5.0 introduction film, which briefly goes through the first look of all the new features and changes in the latest update. You can enjoy all of them now on the Galaxy S22 Ultra anywhere in the world. Now Ice Universe confirmed the resources that the fingerprint scanning area on the S23 Ultra will get bigger. It's not going to be as big as this one from Qualcomm where it covers almost the entire bottom half of the display, but it is gonna be big, and thanks to this tipster we know exactly how big it's gonna be, and it's 100 square millimeters of surface area. For contact, the surface area of the fingerprint scanner on the S22 Ultra is 64 square millimeters, which means it's getting 56% bigger, which is quite a lot. The Galaxy S23 Ultra camera cluster on the back will include a 200-megapixel main camera sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and 30x special zoom, and 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, and 100x digital zoom. Front camera is 32-megapixel for selfie and video calling. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and supports fast battery charging. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.